Hello, my friends. Welcome to Eureka Math. In my school, we work with Avid. We are an Avid-oriented school, so we always have to have three-column notes. It helps you organize your thinking, my friends. What do you think, Batman? Well, Bruce Wayne, since you have my identity, I think I can help you today. Boys and girls, remember, nothing fights crime better than becoming smarter about fractions. Bruce Wayne. Batman, what a wise advice. Thank you, Batman. Oh, at your service, Bruce Wayne. All right, Batman, thank you very much. Let me help my students here, everyone, my friends. Here we go. Okay, so we need to identify. So here are the basics for fractions. For lessons 2 and 5. These are lessons 2 and 5. My name is Bruce Wayne. As you can see, the date December 13. We are module 3, my friends. So in this program, they are asking us to find the missing factor. So let's model this. So look, if I'm a 5th grade student who is having trouble with this, so, and I have a clue, my friends. The clue is the number 35. So I know that I'm just going to add a couple of numbers here, my friends. Okay, so please pay attention. I know that the 5 was multiplied by a number to equal 35. So if we say 5 times a number, that's going to equal 35 on that denominator. So if we say 7, if you know your facts, 5 times 7 equals 35. So now we know that the numerator must be multiplied by the same number. So here is the numerator. 4 times 7 equals 28. And my friends, this is how you find the fraction that is the numerator that is missing to have an equivalent fraction. So what did we do on this one? This one we multiplied. Correct? Okay, let's do another problem similar to that one. Let's say we have 1/4 equals blank 12. Correct? All right, let's apply the same technique. So we have 1/4, and this is going to be equal to 1/4 times a number that will yield the number 12 that has been given it to us as a clue, my friends. So the 12 goes right here. So if I'm a student who knows the multiplication tables, I know that 4 times 3 equals 12. So if I multiply the denominator by 3, I have to multiply the denominator by the same number. 3 times 1 equals 3. So now my equivalent fraction, my friends, is 3/12. Now what did I do? I multiplied. Okay, so here's my thinking here. When I multiply my fraction, my equivalent fractions becomes larger. The numbers become larger. So it goes from this number to this larger number. And here, it moves from 1/4 to 3/12. They're the same thing, but the numbers are greater. Okay, my friends, let's do one more. 2/3 equals 4 as a denominator, and we have a missing number, which is the denominator. Let's apply the same technique. 2/3. So let's do 2/3 equals 2/3 times 4 times a number that will equal the numerator 4. So if we multiply the 2 times 2, that will be 4. So the denominator must be multiplied by the same digit. 2 times 3 equals 6. So here is our new fraction. Now what happened? Well, it was a fraction with small numbers, and then it increased, the numbers increased. So what did I do? I multiplied. That's what I did, my friends. Okay, now How about this number right here? 12/16 equals a fraction that is missing the numerator. Yes, my friends, I said numerator. Okay, now let's do this problem again. So we have 12/16. So now 12/16. I notice the first thing I notice is the number decreases. It goes from 16 parts to 4 parts. So this makes me believe that I have to divide the numbers. So when I divide those numbers, the denominator is going to be 4. And I know that a number times 4 times a number equals 16. The missing number is 4. If I divide the denominator by 4, then I have to divide the numerator by 4. So now I know that 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So the missing number was the number 3/4. Now in this case, I did not multiply, I divided. Okay, my friends? Let's do one more practice. Ready? 18/24 with a denominator 4. So we're missing that numerator. And let's tackle this problem again the same way. So we have 18/24. This has to be multiplied. 18/24 has to be multiplied by a number that will equal 4 as the denominator. Well, if I multiply, that's going to become a large number. So we don't multiply in this case. We divide, my friends. Because the number goes from large to small. We are dividing. So we know that the 4 goes into the 24 6 times, because 6 times 4 equals 24, or 4 times 6 equals 24. So the numerator is divided by the same number, and the answer will be 18 divided by 6 equals 3. So there is our answer, my friends. So now, what did we do right here? In this case, we divided. Because the numbers went from a small number, from a large number to a small number. When you divide, things become smaller. Okay, the last problem, my friends. 56 divided by, 56/63. Here's the clue right here. So let's begin our problem. 56 is going to equal 56/63. That I notice the clue is the number has to be smaller, correct? So we're going to divide this by a number that will yield 8 on the numerator. And I know that 8 times 7 equals 56. And we multiply divide the denominator by the same number. And the answer is 63 divided by 7 equals 9. So what did we do on this one, my friends? When we have a large numbers in a fraction versus a smaller number in a fraction, that means the number is decreased. So that means we divided. We divided the problem. Okay, my friends, there you go. This is the basics. How to find the numerator and denominator on a small, simple equation. Keep learning, my friends. We are here to help each other. Be good, have fun, and open your mind.